galera, beleza? Um abraço aí pro Diogo Vieira Vídeos, certo? Estamos aqui na festa de São Miguel Arcanjo, representando o Alfa X Pesado no Cannabis aí. Um abraço pra vocês, satisfação enorme aí poder falar no canal de vocês, falou? Tamo junto aí. Quiser seguir o Claudinei Abacuque lá, vai no Instagram lá. Um abraço, beleza?
It ain't my fault you keep turning me on. It ain't my fault you got me so gone. It ain't my fault I'm not leaving alone. It ain't my fault you keep turning me on. I can't talk right now, I'm looking at like what I'm seeing, got me feeling kinda shocked right now. Couldn't stop right now, even if I wanna gotta get it where it's hot right now. Oh my god, what is this? Want you all in my business, baby I insist. Please don't blame me for whatever happens then. No, I can't be responsible if I get you in trouble now. See, you're too irresistible, yeah that's for sure. So if I put your hands where my eyes can't see, then you're the one who's got a hold on me. No, I can't be responsible. It ain't my fault. It ain't my fault you came in looking like that. You just made me trip, fall and land on your lap. Something bad boy smooth, body hotter than a summer. I don't mean to be rude, but I look so damn good.